Exceptional. Great location. Great hotel staffs and great location. Next to Soko Taichung. I'll come back next time. Good location. The hotel is next to Soko Department Store Taichung. Good price and there are lots of bars and restaurants around the area. Nice location. Very nice hotel and good location. 1-minute walk to one of famous department store in Taichung. Easy access to local food and bar. Definitely will come back again. Friendly staff and very good location. It's located next to a shopping mall and near the main street. We drove and they offered free parking till checkout time. But the aircon was not good enough, felt the room is hot even having aircon on at low temp. Good place for Taichung accommodation. Good place, good food, good position in Taichung. Very suggested. Excellent, and perfect location for everything. Really enjoyed our stay at Hotel Elizabeth. The staff were always helpful, breakfast was great with plenty of options and rooms were really good. Very pleased with our stay. We have stayed at 4 hotels around Taiwan during our breakaway, and Hotel Elizabeth has been the best. Thanks, good. Good few problems, but staff was nice and helpful. Awesome nice staff. Value for money. Great value, you get more than what you paid for. Very good location in the city center. Clean room, restaurant, common area. Friendly staff and good facilities. Helpful staff that I will definitely come back. A shout out for the helpful and friendly staff, Ivy. She is such a helpful and adorable staff. So go just opposite the hotel, located at Center Point which easy to access to anywhere. Unique design, clean and great breakfast. We definitely come back to this hotel again. Great hotel, great location with bus stations around, easy access to airport and HSR, and other attractions in Taichung. Recommended. Convenience for travel with kids. Very comfortable bed for tiring body. Hotel stuffs are nice. Location is just right to the department and dining area. Highest recommendation. A lovely hotel with staff that would not have been more friendly, helpful, courteous and efficient. Also hotel location is quite well.